In Victorian times, it was called baker's asthma. Doctors dismissed it as just a cough, but it was something far more deadly. Behind every warm loaf of bread was a hidden danger: toxic additives, suffocating flour dust, and a silent killer hanging in the air. This is the dark story of how baking bread became one of the most dangerous jobs of the 19th century. Baking bread in the Victorian era wasn't as simple as we know it today. There were no electric mixers or temperature-controlled ovens. Every loaf of bread was an ordeal. Imagine working by candlelight, your muscles aching from hours of kneading, the air thick with the smell of flour and smoke. And it wasn't just the physical labor that made the job so dangerous, it was what was hidden in the flour itself. Many bakers worked with flour contaminated by a deadly substance, lead. It was called white lead, and it was often mixed with flour to make bread appear whiter and more appealing. But there was another, more insidious danger lurking in the flour. It wasn't just the toxins that could kill, but the very air itself. This was baker's lung, a disease that comes from the constant inhalation of flour dust. As the dough was kneaded, as bread was shaped and baked, microscopic particles of flour filled the air. Over time, these particles settled deep into the lungs, causing inflammation, scarring, and permanent damage. Baker's lung could go unnoticed for years, only revealing its deadly grip once it had already destroyed the lung's ability to function. The result? A slow, agonizing suffocation as the lungs filled with dust, causing shortness of breath, chronic coughing, and a decline in overall health. For many bakers, this slow decline was inevitable. The disease didn't just rob them of their ability to breathe, it robbed them of their livelihood and, often, their life. Then there was the heat. Ovens reached temperatures that could melt your bones. With each batch, bakers would endure hours of intense heat, crouching beside the roaring fire, often working without proper ventilation. The intense heat was a recipe for disaster. And with every loaf of bread pulled from the oven, the risk of severe burns, or even worse, death, was only a breath away. In fact, many bakers died from burns. The ovens were so large and intense that one small slip could send them straight into a fiery grave. Despite the danger, these bakers were treated like the lifeblood of society. Bread was the staple of every meal in Victorian times. The poor depended on it, and so did the rich. Yet, the bakers were largely invisible. They were seen as nothing more than laborers, working in the shadows, risking their lives to feed the public. The dangers they faced often went unnoticed, until it was too late. The price of bread was not just paid in coins, it was paid in lives. Bakers who survived their years in the heat, surrounded by toxins, often found themselves broken, physically scarred, and mentally damaged. And for some, the job didn't just take their health, it took their life. And yet, they carried on because the world needed bread. It was a deadly job, but it was the only job they knew. What do you think was the most shocking part of their story? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear them. If you found this history interesting, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.